In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wix Bookings in just 5 minutes. Whether you're setting up appointments for a service-based business or managing a busy calendar, Wix Bookings is a powerful tool to streamline the process. Let's dive right in and get you set up effortlessly. First, you'll need to head over to Wix's website. If you haven't already, you can do this by simply navigating to wix.com from your web browser. Once you're there, you'll want to create a new account if you're brand new to Wix, or simply log in if you already have a Wix account. This is straightforward. Just enter your email and password, and you'll be on your way. Now that you're in, you'll want to open your existing project or start a new one if you're just getting started. You can find your projects easily from your dashboard, which is accessible right after you log in. Once you've got your project open, look to the left panel and click on the App Market. In the App Market, use the search bar to find Wix Bookings. As soon as you see it, click on the Add to Site button. This will integrate the Wix Bookings feature directly into your project, making it seamlessly available for use. Next, it's time to select a suitable bookings widget for your site. Wix offers different widgets based on the type of booking experience you want to provide, whether that's for a single service, classes, or group bookings. Choose the one that matches your needs best. Once you've placed the bookings element on your site, click on it and then hit Manage Services. This is your go-to area for setting up everything related to your bookings. If it's your first time here, you might see some default services. You are free to customize these or create entirely new services to reflect what you offer. Click the Edit button on any of the existing services to modify details such as price, duration, and description. Don't forget to save your changes by clicking Save once you've finished editing. Now your services will look precisely how you want them to be presented to your clients. After setting up your services, it's crucial to configure your booking calendar. Head over to the Working Hours section. Here, you can specify the days you're available along with the exact working hours. This ensures your clients can only book you when you're genuinely open for business. It's also wise to set your staff's availability and any breaks they might need. This ensures a smooth and accurate booking process for both you and your clients. Finally, once everything is configured just right, go ahead and publish your site. It's a good idea to visit your live site and test the booking flow to make sure everything works just as you intend. Now, with everything in place, your website is ready to handle bookings efficiently. With Wix Bookings, you're set to manage appointments like never before.